Hello, we're here today at SL Equipment to look at this 8.5 by 24 foot custom hybrid trailer. Now going off to the front of the trailer, we'll have our coupler, breakaway pin and box, bagger box for electric brakes, and then power cable on the trailer. It's going to be a 7-pin round. Of course, we've got our safety chains. The front of the trailer also has an aluminum ramp leading up to the top where we have a 8-foot observation deck. Going down the side of the trailer, take a look here. We've got two 7,000-pound axles. Now the center caps on these are going to have rubber fittings. Those pop out so you could easily lubricate the axles, keeps everything protected. And then you pop the rubber fitting back in. The wheels are just standard steel wheels. They're black in color. On the back portion of this hybrid, the mesh that you see is 2 foot tall. The rear loading ramp on this trailer is a bifold gate. It's also spring assisted. And latches for when it latches in place. Gate also has expanded metal on it. This trailer has 4 D-rings, 2 in the rear, 2 in the front. We have a rear 36-inch door with bar lock. On the inside here we do see our fender wells. This trailer also does feature a side ramp. Everything inside of our door. Of course, we just have a wood interior. The roof structure does have a 12-foot light and a roof vent. Side ramp is also spring assisted. Now the enclosed portion of this trailer is 8 foot. And the rear is going to be a 16-foot area. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you. Have a nice day.